welcome back to my channel, and it is so good to see you guys. Today is all about Drugstore. I have some amazing new, I guess they're new to me, some of them are going to be new to you as well, products that I just got from the drugstore and that I'm absolutely loving, and I'm going to do a really fun, quick look for you today. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright, you know me, I like to start with either no primer or some primer. This one is not new to anybody. I've heard about it, but I haven't tried it yet, and I am loving it. This is the Elle Poreless Putty Primer. All these names. I've really been liking it. You know, it is such a dupe of the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This is exactly, I mean, that's what it is. It's a dupe. But I've been loving it. I think it works equally as well, which is cool. And during the summer, my makeup has been slipping and sliding all over the place. I'm going to use it on my eyes too. Yay. And then my eyes. Oh, just poked myself in the eye. Ugh. Makeup problems. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little barrette. You see the cute little barrette? I got these guys. That comes with this at Target. It's from a brand called A New Day. So cute. $8 for all of them, but it's like old school when I was like back in the day when I used to put my hair in barrettes. All right, you guys, so I don't know, you know, I'm really bad at this. Like, it looked to me that this was new, but I have a feeling that it's not. This is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm sure y'all will tell me, but wow, is she pretty. I love this palette. If you guys glare. If you guys can see, just because it has such a beautiful range of mattes, but also quite a little, like a dusting of shimmers in here. It is so beautiful. So I'm actually going to start with this first one. I love that they have included a matte shadow. I also love that they have included a matte shadow that's a little bit darker, which is for deeper skin tones. So everybody can prep their eye appropriately. And you know me, oh, I got primer still up here. Seriously. You know me, I'm just gonna pop this all over the eye. All right, I have that song stuck in my head. not that I watch TikTok because I don't like TikTok, but it's that the Jason Derulo song. I'm sure you knew all exactly what I was saying from that beautiful interpretation. I think I'm gonna go in with this guy first, and we're just gonna build a beautiful, easy eye. This is the J. Kissa makeup brushes from Elle, her collaboration I got in PR. They're nice. Oh, hey, I forgot to scoot you in. This weird mood of mine continues. Just in such like a grateful and gratitude. Just in a really grateful headspace lately. All right, so we are going to build this up into a beautiful crease work. That is such a pretty color. These colors are like very blendable. You know, these brands, NYX or NYX, however you say it, has been a long time favorite of mine. I think they make just amazing products. So affordable, cruelty-free, and their products just really perform. So look how pretty that is. Ooh, gorgeous. Let's play. Oh, you know what else I got though too was this Milani Gen Nude, or no, Glided Nude, Gilded Nude. Really? Gilded Nude. I can't. It's pretty. So let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial with that. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, let's add a little bit more depth in here with this guy. Just gonna wipe off the brush and just use the same darn brush again. I'm just gonna build a little bit of depth in here. Really going with my like sweater color today, it looks like. How's everybody doing out there, huh? We doing okay? I know it's a trying time for everybody right now. All right, and then to blend the top, I think I'm actually gonna go into this color right here. It's literally like a version of the first color I used, but I'm gonna go in here and just kind of blend this out a little bit. See how they did that? That's the trick, y'all. Take a lighter color and blend this top bad boy out if you guys need help with that. She's fun, she's pretty. All right. So now what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a denser brush. We'll go with a flat eyeshadow brush. This is the new Retro Paradise collection from Elle. We're gonna go right in here in this bad boy. Did I show it? Did you see it? There you go. Since I'm the YouTuber of the world. Okay, I'm joking. All right, so now we're going to build in just a little bit of depth. These are like my favorite colors to play with. I just think they're so beautiful. A lot of people will call them fall colors, but like, I don't necessarily know if there has to be like a color for a season. Yes, they're a little bit richer, but they're just so complementary to most eye colors. These are really pigmented shadows. Way to go. I love this palette. Oh, I really only tried a couple of them, like for a super easy, quick look, because I just wanted to like try it out before I showed you guys. Huge fan of this palette. Look at that. Gorgeous. Even has some cool tone colors in here. So if you are a cool tone person, this actually might be something for you to look into. I think what I want to do is I think I want to bring that peachy color, this guy right here, in a little bit further. Okay. Yeah. Slanted brush, angled brush, hit it with some rehydrating spray, pick your favorite. I'm going to go in with the deepest color again that we just used, and I'm going to give this eye a little bit of dimension here. What do you guys think? I think that's pretty. All right. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go a little bit into this guy and a little bit into this guy. Add a little dimension here. It's pretty. I've actually been partnering with Elle this year on some videos just for their channel, not for mine, but just for their channel, and I've been really enjoying myself. So go head over to Elf's YouTube channel and you can see me over there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up the other eye, curl my lashes, and then I'm going to use mascara. You know what? I have a hard time. I would love to hear from you guys what your favorite cruelty-free drugstore mascara. Okay? Do you know A, how hard it is to find anything cruelty-free in the drugstore anyway? And B, a good mascara. Mine used to be L'Oreal's Lash Paradise, but unfortunately L'Oreal's not cruelty-free. So I want to hear from you guys. You guys gave me such great recommendations on the last video I did. So let me hear from you. Sound off in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in a second. Oh, hi, we're back. Okay, so I have foundation on, as you can tell, and you're going to have to stay tuned until tomorrow. If you're watching this on Thursday, it's Foundation Friday 4. Tomorrow, it's this guy right here. Little sneak peek. Also drugstore. Okay? So if you like the skin, that's what it is. All right, let's finish this bad boy up. I've been obsessed with this concealer since I found it. This is probably one of the best concealers I have ever found besides the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind for a drugstore price. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I am in loving shade 115 for me. I just think it is just so well made. Like, I'm blown away by this concealer. I've been using it every day. All right, I'm loving the eye look so far. Let's finish just underneath a little bit. I think I'm gonna go in kind of lighter underneath the eyes. I'm gonna go in this color right here. Nice little drop shadow, and just for something like a little special, you're probably not gonna see it very much. I'm just gonna go in with this color right here. It's a little shimmery-ish. I'm just gonna pop this right here. Okay, I'll be honest with you, I don't love that shadow, but that one's the only one I don't love out of all the ones I've tried. I just realized that I never told you what mascara I was talking about. It's the Flower Beauty mascara. That's the only one. I love the brush on it. I think it's gorgeous. Comes in a lot of different colors, so that's the one that I have been using from the drugstore lately. All right, so now that I've set the under eyes, the center of my face, and I used a little bit of bronzer, we are going to do a little bit of cheek with ya. This is Stunning from Coco Kind, okay? They have these like sticks, basically. It's hard to see, the camera's not really doing it justice. But they're like very clean, hydrating glow sticks, is what I like to call them. See how pretty that is? Look at that, pretty, okay? Oh, and by the way, I think I was recommended to do a blush, highlighter, bronzer tutorial for you guys. because we're going to apply it a little bit different and in different orders than an Instagrammer would or somebody that is a little bit younger than us. So comment below and let me know if you guys want that video and I'll get that done for you. A little teaching video. A little bit of the Milani blush. God, you're pretty, Milani blush. Okay, so for the brows, again, I actually am going to be doing a whole brow tutorial for sparse brows, which I know I have, and I know a lot of people have even less brows than me. But for me, my go-to, and this is my go-to every single day, is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I get the one in taupe. CoverGirl Clear Brow Eye Gel. Super inexpensive, really darn good. I don't ever not do my brows without brow gel. I don't think I'm going to put any mascara on the bottom lash. I don't always do that. I'm kind of obsessed with this look. It's looking really awesome. All right, so this is the only part of the program. This is the only part of the video, the program, that is not drugstore, but it's a very affordable price. This is the mented, yes, lip liner. But you guys asked me all about this lip. I did it in a recent video, and this is what I do. This is what I do. All right, so it looks a little dark. Don't freak out. I always feel like to say like so, like that. If you guys watch Tabitha Brown on Instagram, she brings so much joy to my life every day. You have to go follow her. She is hilarious, and she always goes like so, like that. I can't say it like her. She says it much better. Okay, now going in with this e.l.f. color in cream. It's a lip gloss, lip stick. Why can't I talk? Okay, so now it's going to remind you a little bit of your senior photos for a second. This is exactly how mine looked with that brown line around your lips. Okay. Now, take your finger, get a little dish, blend it out. Blend it out. See? Now it just looks like a really pretty nude. All right, I'm going to finish it off. Elle's lip lacquer. E.l.f.'s. That'd be nice if it was mine. Moody. And it just comes together. This has been my go-to lip as well for the past several weeks. All right, so here it is. Here is the final look. Of course, we can always give a nice little dose of a rehydrating spray if you really want to. I didn't use too much powder, so it's not necessary. Is that necessary? Yes. I got my hair cut today, too. Oh my God, it was so gross. I hadn't gotten cut before, and I cannot talk today at all. I had not gotten it cut since before quarantine, and I really needed it, and dude, so much better. Anyway, thank you all so much for being here. Please comment in the comments section. I would love to hear from you. I try to get back to as many people as I possibly can. I'm thinking of you guys, sending so much love from my house to yours. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, loves.